Welcome everybody to another episode of Hearts of Iron. It's been a while. Yes, I do 100% know. But I'm gonna get what the hell? Um um what? What? Okay, well, oh my god. What happened to the game? Mod developers have too much free time. Okay, so we're gonna be playing some Kaisereich. Yes, like I was saying, it's definitely been a while, and I 100% agree, but I decided to take a break from recording all that because I felt, I don't know, it was just, I wasn't feeling it anymore. I lost a little hope, but I'm back into it. So, we're gonna pick a country, something hopefully not as boring, maybe Liberia. They seem a little difficult, though. Maybe the Qing. I mean, they'd be pretty fun. You know what? Oh, man, this is a tough decision. Let's play as Poland. It's gonna be a little difficult, but I believe we can do it. So our main goal is just, yeah, thank you, Kaisereich team. Okay, the great debate, is that all we can do? Yeah, I guess that's all we can do. Got 12 divisions. Gonna work on our economy because black market happens, we're screwed. Okay, what do we got here? What are we missing? Support equipment. Blah, blah, through the act November was granted autonomy from collapsing Russia. However, this triumph came as bitter. Polish king was postponed as Austria-Hungary. Hence, blah blah blah. And forward into Warsaw, certain forces tired of being under the Austro-German yoke and looked to their enslaved brothers in Germany, Austria, and the eastern states, hoping to one day kingdom for all Poles. That's cute. Fortunately, it's not going to be easy. You know what? We're just gonna cancel all production and cut all trade. Apparently, we still need shit though. Okay. How that's gonna hurt. Gonna trade for that. What else do we need? Unfortunately, do not have the supplies. We have Vampire Wilhelm. Austria, what do you got? You've got... Okay, you've got the Terminator. What are these conversations? A horrendous day, bombing Warsaw. I don't know why there's guerrilla. Stability's low. Japan just fucking got a vampire. These guys got a tiger. These guys got a little dog. This is like really creepy. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I did not expect this. Ow! So we need political power and stat. Who cares? Yeah, what are these conversations? There's all this shit we can be doing. We're talking about desk sizes and height. I swear to God, these AI events are just dumb at this point. This cannot get any worse. Kinda wanna disable the king now, because he's not doing shit. Afghanistan got put in its place. Okay, well, that solves some of it, not as much though. Thank God. Starting to get fucking political power back. Having low stability is not helping. So Middle Europa is actually pretty powerful. Why though? Why is like everyone the Terminator? Okay, here we go. So Lithuanians have declared new interest in recreating the Commonwealth, while past Commonwealth was a major power in Europe, eventually destroyed by Russia, blah blah blah. Because of this, someone said that we should forget the Commonwealth, instead start the election for a king. What should our response be to Lithuanians? No, I mean, I would rather have a unified Poland-Lithuania. What just happened? I'm sorry, but I am not any henchman. Just can't do anything for now. Oh, the middle of your ears. I'm so confused on what happened. I genuinely dumbfounded. PP, what's PP now? Okay, civilian factories. It's the PM. It's a lot to take in. Where are we getting more divisions from? How did we do that? Whatever, our main goal is just to fix the stability issue. Okay, this really does nothing. Do I have to purge people who are not authoritarian Democrat? Where's our capital now? It is Warsaw. Oh, so it's tired right now. It's 11 o'clock-ish. It's Halloween, so that's pretty nice. Other than that, though, okay. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, more Hearts of Iron. If you like this series, make sure to comment below, or if you'd like to see another series, just comment below.